My question, Honorable CS, last week, the Minister for Defense was before this House, and he said any soldier that is killed in line of duty is paid 5 million Kenya shillings and I'm guided. Thank you very much. 4 million shillings and $50,000 if any officer dies in outside this country. Honorable Speaker, I would want to ask this, the CS, if a police officer dies in line of duty, when in Kenya or outside Kenya, how much money? But by the way, the CS Defense said, within the first 30 days, they'll be paid 4 million shillings. When it comes to a police officer, how much are you paying a police officer within that first 30 days? And my other question on a CS is, have you ever thought of employing Morans and people in northern Kenya and upper eastern, those who are not educated, as police officers? Have you ever thought of recruiting those people so that the banditry issue, the menace we are having in those areas, can be controlled and curtailed? If so, if you have that plans, when are you going to execute or start? Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker.
Honorable CS, kindly respond to those supplementary questions.
Honorable Speaker, under the medical insurance scheme of the National Police Service, an officer who dies in the line of duty is entitled to a package which includes a one-off payment, which is equivalent to 8 years of gross salary. That also includes the funeral expenses, and therefore those officers who die in the line of duty are well taken care of under the medical insurance scheme of the National Police Service. What we are working on now is to go further and establish a benevolent fund. A benevolent fund for the families of the police officers who die in the line of duty. Because some of our best and most sophisticated officers in terms of combating dangerous criminals are fairly young officers. They've been trained, including abroad. We train them young